अस्सलाम वालेकुम रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू। उम्मीद करती हूँ कि आप सब खैरियत से होंगे। तो आज एक रेसिपी बनाने जा रहे हैं जो मेरे फ्रेंड ने मेरे को दिया। तो इट इज़ अ सेमी राइप मैंगो पिकल। So I'm also trying this out for the first time. Let's see how the pickle turns out. So I've taken 1¼ kg of semi-ripe mangoes. I've cut them into medium-sized cubes. If you wish, you can cut them smaller. I'd already made a pickle with smaller sized pieces, so I'm trying this out with medium-sized. So I had mixed salt and kept it out in the balcony for 2 days. But after making the pickle, I realized that it's not necessary to actually keep the mango out in the balcony. You can immediately use it. You can immediately cut it and use it because these are semi-ripe mangoes. There's no need to keep it out in the balcony for 2 days. The outcome is the same. So I had used a Tupperware container because I didn't have a bigger jar, but best is to use a ceramic or a glass jar if you are planning to add salt to the cut mangoes and keep it out in the sun or in the balcony. So let's continue with the making of the pickle. Heat 1 cup of mustard oil or gingerly oil in a wide kadai. When the oil becomes hot, add 1 teaspoon mustard seeds, half a teaspoon of fenugreek seeds, that's methi seeds, and half a teaspoon of zira, that is cumin, and some curry leaves. Keep the flame on very low. Now add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 tablespoons of chili powder or to your taste, 1 teaspoon methi powder, that is fenugreek powder. Mix well, switch off the flame. After switching off the flame, add the mango pieces along with the brine. But see that there is not much brine in the mangoes. The kadai was very small, so I transferred the whole thing to another bigger wok. I'll be making in that. Now mix well and switch on the flame now and keep on medium. Add 1 teaspoon of hing, that is asafoetida. Mix again. I have added 8 to 10 tablespoons of jaggery powder. If you do not have jaggery powder, you can add the block jaggery. Just crush it and add it. Also add 2 teaspoons of vinegar and 2 teaspoons of sugar. If you don't want sugar, you can add more jaggery. Mix, cover and cook till the mangoes become soft. That's around 10 minutes. Don't forget to stir in between. Switch off the flame, check for salt and spices, and then cover and let it rest. Once it's cooled down, transfer to a ceramic or glass jar. Serve as an accompaniment with rice or rotis. Now to store for a longer time, you can keep it in the refrigerator. Now the medium ripe or half ripe mango pickle is now ready. So please do try it out. Like, share and subscribe. Ingredients and method as always in the description box. Thank you for watching.